We'll guide you through how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 multiplayer. This is fun as you can start playing with other players. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Make sure you've got ETS2 installed. You can see I have, it says play. Now go and open up a web browser, and what you need to do is go and type in TruckersMP like so, and come to TruckersMP.com. This is how you can go and play multiplayer. Go to the top right and you can press register, and what you need to do is make sure you have Euro Truck Simulator 2 as I said. You've got more than 2 hours playing in those games, and your Steam profile, game details and total playtime are set to public. You can go and press click here to go and check. Go through here and make sure they're set to public. And then what you can do is go and sign in and make your account. After you've done that, come back to the home page and you can scroll down and press download now. Scroll down again and press download now. And then it's been blocked, but I'll click on it and press download unverified file. I've had it before. Open up your downloads and double click on the setup file and it will launch. Come to the bottom and press download updates. What you'll then need to do is sign into your account that you just made. Make sure you read and agree to the rules, and then you can go and choose a server and you can go and press join the server. We can press continue career. I was on the Euro Truck loading page and I just pressed drive, and you can go and see the connections established. Now you can see we're playing multiplayer.